Hello YouTube family, this is Monitor Q back again. With this video, we're gonna be, see this blade? It's rusty, chipped. So I'm gonna show you guys how to set a Andis blade, okay? This is the T-Ouliner 2. I'm gonna be showing y'all how to set the blade, how to replace the blade. That's what we're gonna do. First things first, we're gonna, these two screws, they gotta come out, so we'll unloosen these screws. Just like that, okay? So you got the two screws out. Just take that apart. And so right here, when you get another back piece of your blade, you will want to unscrew this and let this bar go up and down, okay? So you'll try to get it close as you can to the teeth. So what will happen is it'll look like this, right? It's all the way down now. We will push this up, okay? Like this, move it down, make sure it's loose. Then we'll go against the counter because this is a flat surface, right? So we'll push it down, and then what we will do is tighten this up because it's now the teeth are flush. Tighten it up, tighten it up. So now the blade will stay flush. Hope y'all can see that. Now, this is an older blade, so we're gonna take this off. And I got another blade. This is not a new blade, but it's gonna work just for the video. So, right here, I put it up there. All right. You don't want no overbite on the blade. Trying to get it so y'all can see. All right. Really don't want no overbite on the blade. So what I'm going to do, just like I showed you, I'm going to just loosen. Just loosen it so it can go up and down. It can go up and down. And now I'm going to put it against a flat surface. Push it all the way down. And while it's pushed down, I'm going to tighten it. Tighten it up. All right. So it's tight. Tight. So now I'm going to put it back on the bar. Okay. Put the screws back in. Because a lot of people go buy these expensive gadgets to set the blade and put the blade in. Man, you don't got to do all that. Just do this. Do it manual. Takes 5 minutes, guys. Probably to do what I just did if I was really, trying not to record. Tighten it up. Tighten it up. So you'll find a place on your arm. You'll find a place on your arm to kind of maybe shave off the C. So I'm gonna try like right here to see if it'll cut. So to me, it's kind of pulling a little bit. I think so. It's kind of pulling, guys. So what I'm going to do is try to adjust the blade a little bit more. Try to adjust it a little bit more. It's not cutting how I exactly want it to cut. So when it does that and it's still pulling a little bit, I'm gonna show y'all a little trick on what you can do. Now I have my beautiful daughter here she's gonna be doing the filming. So you're gonna see her in the background. You can say hi, her name is Madison. So what we're gonna do, you got to move it up and down. So since the counter didn't work, we're gonna go to the mirror. So we're going to move the camera to the mirror and we're going to do the mirror. And we're going to get it as close as we can up. And we're going to tighten it. Now we're going to go back, put the screw in. And I can guarantee you guys this time, we're gonna have a better result. Charles Barkley say, I guarantee. All right, guys. So now it's back on. Let's see what we have here. Oh yeah. The hair is moving a little bit better this time. See that? So now what we will do is I'm going to put a line on this beard. Y'all see how the beard is? I'm going to sharpen up this line, okay? So first I will have to pull the skin. When you pull the skin, you make a hard surface, right? And so what I will do, pull the skin, make the line. And that line, as y'all can see, is a lot crispier than what this line is. You can see this line and you look at this line, a lot crispier. So we'll go under the neck. See under the neck how it looks. We're gonna get rid of all of that and make a sharper line. Now I did this side. I didn't do this side, so you can tell the difference. And that's how you set your blade.